This is Antonio from Nexa Mortgage. I just wanted to take a minute and let you know some of the stuff that's happening in the mortgage industry. About 2 weeks ago, the FHFA announced that they're going to be adding a half-point fee on all loans, all refinances, so to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac starting September 1st. What does that mean for consumers? That basically means that anybody looking to refinance, whether it be cash out or a rate and term to try to save money on the refinance, take advantage of the lower rates, they're going to be charged half of 1% of the loan amount as part of the discount point, finance charges, whatever you want to call it, for the refinance. So basically, if you're paying one discount point on your refinance, you would be paying 1.5 discount points. Exactly what is a discount point, you might ask? If you're not sure, basically 1 discount point is 1% of your loan amount. It's a fee added to help you get a lower interest rate. So half a discount point that they're adding to these loans. Think of it this way: if you got a $500,000 loan, that's basically $2,500 in fees added onto the loan. If you got a $200,000 loan, that's basically $1,000 in fees added to it, to the loan. In most cases, you don't see this because all these fees are usually wrapped into the loan. Usually people have the equity position. We're able to wrap these fees and not have them come out of pocket most of the time. It all depends on their particular situation, but it just made refinancing a little more expensive for clients. Well, yesterday, right about 3 o'clock local time, 4 o'clock local time, I started seeing news come down that the FHFA actually delayed this. They went from September 1st, when this was going to go into effect, up till December 1st. So what does this mean in the refinances for all the people that were in the process of refinancing? Well, that's going to be up to each individual lender, and that's one thing. If I were you, I would get with your mortgage loan officer, see if that fee was charged to you. If it was, see what their plan is to do that. As far as those people that have not looked into refinancing, may have been on the edge, may have priced it out a week or two ago and it wasn't quite what they're looking for. Now might be a good time to look again, because you have a short window before this fee goes into effect. So although it does say loans sold after December 1st, let me explain something to you. So basically the process, when we do a loan, we get your initial application, we go through all the paperwork, we make sure you're approved, we make sure you're good. Then once we've went over all the different options and we've made sure you're good, we submit the loan for disclosures. You sign your disclosures and we go into underwriting. Underwriter goes, takes a look at it, approves the loan, and there might be some conditions you might fulfill. You might need to put an updated pay stub. We might need to go and get title work, or we might need to go get an updated payoff. And then your loan, once we clear all the conditions, your loan goes to the closing. You go to closing, you sign, and then after you sign on the refinance, you got the right of rescissions, which is 3 business days. Basically, if you signed on a Monday, that loan's not going to fund until that Friday. That's the day your current loan will be paid off. So after it goes to funding, the loan has to go into the lender's particular line, getting ready to be sold. They got to do their final steps, make sure everything's good. They package it up, they get it ready to ship off and sell to Fannie and Freddie. And every lender has their own time frames on all this. So basically, December 1st is when Fannie and Freddie is going to start charging for that. So any loans that are actually sold on those days, not loans that are locked, not loans that are in the process of being refinanced, not loans that are closed on that day, it's loans that are sold. So you figure that there's a few weeks there that we need to account for. You probably want to be closed a couple weeks before that December 1st. What that means is this is probably going to go back into effect, just a rough guess, and it's going to vary for lenders, probably end of September, maybe beginning of October. And we'll start seeing those fees added back onto the loan with the information that's out there now. So right now, if you're looking to refinance, might be a good time, might be a small window where you're going to save a little bit of money. Rates are still low. They're still really low compared to what they were a year ago. So now might be the best time to take a look. If you have any questions, just give me a call. You'll see my information at the end of this video. 720-271-0747. I'd love to help you out. I'd love to run you a free, no obligation quote. Thank you.